From a breakout sub-10 in 2022 to becoming Jamaica's most consistent sprinter since Usain Bolt, Ackeem Blake is redefining speed on the track. With accolades like NACAC Games champion, Diamond League medalist, and World Indoor Championship bronze, Blake is on a mission to shatter records and make history. But can Ackeem break Asafa Powell's legendary 6.44 second 60-meter national record? Or can he become the first Caribbean man to run below 6.40 seconds? In this video, let's dive into Blake's meteoric rise, his 2024 indoor season triumphs, and what's next for this 23-year-old phenom. Will 2024 be the year he cements his legacy? Watch till the end to find out. Let's get into it. For Ackeem Blake, NACAC Games champion, Diamond League champion, World Indoor Championship bronze medalist, World Outdoor Championship bronze medalist, and an Olympian are a few of the accolades that describe his impact on track and field. Jamaica's Ackeem Blake had his breakout season in 2022 by running his first sub-10 in the 100 meters by 9.95 seconds to place second at the New York Grand Prix. Later that season, he made the Jamaican team for the Eugene World Championship and advanced to the 100-meter semi-final. A year later, Blake could not make it to the individual Jamaican men's 100 meters team for the Budapest World Championship. However, he was able to be on the team for the 4x100 meters relay and ran the opening leg on the team in Budapest and earned a bronze medal. The 2024 season saw Ackeem Blake decide to compete during the indoor season, which usually lasts from January to March. He ran a personal best of 6.45 seconds in the 60 meters to place a close second to American Noah Lyles at the Melrose Games before he tackled the Glasgow World Indoor Championship. Blake's 6.45 seconds made him the joint 13th fastest man in the event. Ackeem Blake looked good through the rounds at the World Indoor Championship as he won both his heat and semi-final. In the final, he ran 6.46 seconds to earn a bronze medal as the Americans Christian Coleman and Noah Lyles got gold and silver, respectively. This performance made Ackeem Blake the first Jamaican man since national record holder Asafa Powell to earn a medal in the event. Ackeem Blake has proven to be Jamaica's most consistent sprinter since Usain Bolt. But can he finally have a national record for himself? Even though Ackeem Blake's fastest 60 meters is 6.42 seconds, which is faster than the national record of 6.44 seconds set by Asafa Powell, Blake's performance was done on an outdoor track when compared to indoor tracks, which the 60 meters is typically done. The 60 meters event requires speed and pure concentration with little to no mistakes, and Ackeem Blake has proven to the world that he is one of the best athletes in the event. At the age of 23, he is getting closer to his prime and is in the driver's seat to break Asafa Powell's national record of 6.44 seconds, which was done at the 2016 Portland World Indoor Championship. But how fast can he go? Could he become the first Caribbean man to run below 6.40 seconds? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Check out this video on top 10 Caribbean athletes you should watch in the 2025 track and field season. Ackeem Blake's journey is proof that hard work and determination lead to greatness. From breakout performances to global medals, he's redefining speed and chasing history. Will 2024 be his year to shine? One thing is clear, Blake's future is limitless. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Ackeem Blake's incredible journey and his quest to make history, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the biggest stories in track and field and beyond. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.